Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi back home today in San Francisco to tout that $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan. As NBC Bay Area's Thom Jensen was there and able to ask her about some of the greatest challenges facing the Bay Area and the rest of America as the nation tries to move forward and heal post-pandemic.
The main focus of Speaker Nancy Pelosi's visit to Chinatown, vaccination efforts at Northeast Medical Services, a clinic that relied on funds from the president's recently passed American Rescue Plan Act.
We want to make sure that the rescue package is successful in what it set out to do.
Enacted by Congress last month, the American Rescue Plan includes more than $7.5 billion for community health centers like the Northeast Medical Services, or NEMS, which will receive $11 million of that money.
This funding is especially important for our work to care for and protect the vulnerable Asian seniors who've been targeted in recent months by hate.
The speaker also applauding President Biden for addressing hate crimes early on. She urged members of Asian American and Pacific Islander communities to document attacks immediately.
Write it down. Just, you're there, you hear it, write it down so we have proof that this is a hate crime.
Speaking of safety, when questioned about the safety of Governor Newsom's plan to reopen the entire state by June 15th, the speaker asked the highest-ranking doctor in the room to evaluate.
I took the governor's announcement as a strong indication that the state believes there will be robust supplies of vaccine coming in before June 15th so we can get those vaccines into arms. We'll see where we are. Again, we need to follow the data.
As far as San Francisco itself goes, its public health officer, Dr. Grant Colfax, says it will meet and exceed the governor's timeline by having 80% of all adults here vaccinated by mid-May. In San Francisco, Thom Jensen, NBC Bay Area News.